Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return yourself. Gather W-2, Form 1099, receipts, social security numbers, and bank routing info before you begin filing. Choose a filing method, either free IRS e-file, free software options, or a paid service for more guidance. Keep your records organized in one folder or digitally to speed up the process and reduce stress while entering accurate figures. Decide whether to use free e-file, free tax software, paid software, or a preparer. Free options cover simple W-2 returns and some 1099 income, while paid tiers add guidance for home ownership, investments, or freelance work. Compare features like audit support, live help, and import tools to pick what fits your comfort level. Remember that even paid software often walks you through credits and deductions clearly. Work through your return line by line, starting with personal info and filing status, then input income from W-2s and Form 1099s. Claim the standard deduction unless your itemized expenses are larger, and report credits like child or education credits if eligible. Review each entry, verify bank routing for refunds, and use the software error checks. File electronically for faster processing, and keep a copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.